Hello and welcome to the Dapper Gentleman. It's Aushaman and today we are going to talk about cuffs. Yeah, we are going to talk about cuffs specifically related to the formal shirt. So as you can see, I am wearing khaki chinos, a brown belt, and a white shirt. It's a formal shirt with cufflinks. So this has a French cuff. As you can see, it's doubled around and it's fastened with a cuff link. It's a silver colored fastening cufflink. So it is used for fastening the two of the sides of the cuff. It's actually, you can, if you can see, the slits are open now. I'm closing them. So cufflinks look really formal and really good on suits if you are going to wear a suit. If you are just not going to wear a suit, they look pretty odd, like but still you can wear. But please make sure that if you want to wear a French cuff shirt, make sure that you are going to wear it in a very formal setting and a situation. And please add a necktie. If you are not going to add a necktie, then please don't wear a cufflink. Right now I am also breaking this rule just to show you different types of formal cuffs. So this is the first type of this is the epitome of formal cuffs. So this is the French cuff. It's also called the double cuff. It's fastened with a cufflink. Sometimes cufflinks are made up of precious metals like gold, platinum, silver, but they are very expensive and it's not necessary. Any cufflink can work, even one which is made of stainless steel. But cufflinks are one of the great way to enhance your shirt style by using a different cuff. Generally it's not easy to find any ready-made shirt or made to measure shirt, so you will have to have it tailored or find a tailor which can make it for you. So it's not easily available. You can't walk in a store and say I want a shirt which has a French cuff. No, it's not easy to find it, and mostly you will find these ready-made shirts in very typical and very businessy colors. When I mean typical or businessy, those are very conservative colors. That would be your white color, then yellow, light blue, many light pink. You will find it only those color which are appropriate in a very formal situation. You won't find it on very catchy and bold colors or even catchy or bold shirts. Now let's move on to our second and third type of formal cufflinks, cuffs styles. So this is another type of a cuff. So this is a two button cuff. So as you can see, the cuffs are in vertical setting and there is a guantole button to close your slit off, so there is no ballooning near your wrist. So as you can see here, there are two cuffs which are vertical in nature. You have also the horizontal cuff buttons, but they are to loosen or tighten. This is specifically made. This is also another made to measure shirt of mine. I've got it tailored. I bought the fabric and I had it tailored. You won't find these irregular cuffs on uh, any ready-made shirt. They are very difficult to find. This is a quintessentially British style of having two button cuffs. Then again there is a three button cuff. I don't have any three button cuff shirt, so the size of the cuff will be much longer in that, about this big, and there will be another third button in the vertical fashion, and then will you have a guantole button. So it will be a four button in all over your sleeves. So that is actually little too much and it will make your cuff size very big. uh, I wouldn't like it that way, so I don't use it. And the most common cuff button also is there, the single cuff, which is very common and which you find it on every single shirt. So the one button cuff would need not show any explanation. We don't need any explanation for that. Everyone has seen now and then. This is also a very nice shirt. It's from an Italian mill. The cotton of it, the fabric, and excellent stitching has been done by my tailor. and you will find it very common in Britain. uh, During the old ages or in mid 70s, people would wear shirts like this with two button cuff or even three button cuff. Now it has become very uncommon. It's a very old tradition, and since I'm a fashion enthusiast, so I like to change my style and fashion depending upon the situation and formality that it requires. So this is also a very formal shirt. If you want to wear some kind of, if you want to try a new cuff designs on formal shirt, you need to have those specific occasions. This is going to make you stand out of the crowd. If you are at a any kind of party or any formal business event and you just wear a suit, then you need to know the different styles and peculiarities you can tweak in your outfit so that you stand out from the crowd. If you are just want to look the same like the other 10 people are looking, you won't grab attention. If you want to be the attention seeker, you want to be center of attraction, you want to look definitely masculine, then these are the few tricks that you can use. You can add different styles of cuff. You can wear a double cuff shirt and fasten with a very nice cuff link, uh, even if it's not made up of any precious metal or semi precious metal. uh, you can monogram your shirt. You can add different kind of fabric to it. You can change the color. So I told you Winchester collars can be created if you have a white cloth as your collar. If you add a white collar and a white cuff, then it becomes a Winchester shirt. That means the color of the collar and cuffs will be different than the color of other parts of the shirt. That's going to look awesome. So that are the few simple ways to upgrade your look. So please, if you are someone who is just starting to buy a formal shirt, instead of buying from any local store which is near your house, you just go to a tailor, buy a nice cloth, have it tailored, and every time you buy a new cloth and a fabric, you just try to have a different type of cuff, different type of collar to upgrade your look. And whenever you wear a suit, definitely try and have a white shirt which has a double cuff, and fasten it with a cufflink. You will just look awesome in that suit. It will upgrade you by more 10 points. So if you look a 90 in a suit, it will make you look 100 upon 100. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask me in the comments below, or you can also follow me on my Instagram page. Links in the description. You can DM me if you want to assist me in your personal choice for setting wardrobe and creating new looks. I also provide you with that service. You Please subscribe, press the bell icon, and give a like. Thank you. This is Aushman signing off.